Hey little kids, welcome back to my channel. Today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful school bag. We all have school bag and we love our school bag. What is the color of your school bag? Here I will draw a light blue color school bag. Follow my every steps and try to draw with me. This will be a very cute school bag. I draw the school bag. Now it's time to color it. Here I am using brush pen color to color this beautiful and cute school bag. I'm using here light pink color for this beautiful heart. Now I'm using deep pink color for zipper. Here I'm also making deep pink color the bag's holding strap. Now I am using the turquoise color for these beautiful pockets. One of the green shade color is called turquoise color. And finally I am using the light blue color to make this pretty bag as light blue bag. Wow, the bag is looking so cute and so pretty. You should also try it at home. And thank you for watching this video. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye bye little kids.